Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Happy New Year. I'm gonna cook some brunch or very early lunch. Actually, it's not early, it's brunch, New Year's brunch. I'm cooking longganisa. That's Filipino sausage. It has, I think it's sweet, it could be spicy, but we bought the sweet one, the sweet longganisa. I'm cooking it right now. There's two parts in cooking the longganisa. Right now I'm boiling it, and then after that I get to fry it and you get to see it. This is how to start cooking the longanisa. Is boil it for a few minutes, and I think I need to start moving it. I think pretty soon I get to fry it. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes after you boil it to, actually it takes shorter than that to cook it. Um, Usually you could get the longanisa at the Asian market or Filipino market. In this case, I got it at the Asian market, Seafood City. If you have Seafood City in your area, or Ranch 99. Now you could have this for brunch or lunch, even breakfast, or even merienda. That's snack in Tagalog. It's boiling. Filling. I'm gonna cook it real soon. That's what it looks like. And it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, now I'm frying the longanisa. I put oil in it to make it not burnt, but what do I call it? But golden, close to being burnt, but not really burnt. It makes any sense. Anyways, this is the second part of cooking the longanisa, is frying it. See it sizzle. That's how you cook longanisa. This is one type of longanisa. It's a skinless, and there's one that's round. It has skin, or there's one that has skin and it's like this. It's kind of like a breakfast sausage. That too. Make it close to being burned, but not burned. It has like a burnt, what do you call it? Burnt coating on it. It tastes not burnt. Ouch! Sorry. See that? It's turning. It's supposed to look like this. I think they're cooking it right, I guess. Maybe I should cook more. I wasn't sure. I can cook later on. It's not enough. See? It's almost done. Ouch. Sorry. I'll get ready. Some of them is going to be ready. Oh, it's easier to use a tong. Yeah. I believe some of them is almost ready. This one's almost ready. This one's definitely ready. I put it here. Move it around. I have a feeling I'm gonna cook the other half tonight for dinner. Maybe not. Let's see. Just me and my brother eating the longanisa. Maybe. Okay, this is definitely ready. This is ready. Oh, they're all ready. Let's turn it off. Oh, I'm still recording. Is good. Oh, I got the the fan on. Surprised the smoke detector didn't go off yet. Anyways, it's all done. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks like. Cooked longanisa.